So today we'll be starting a new unit, that is unit 5 mensuration, and the first chapter is area of a trapezium and a polygon. Okay, so first we'll be learning about area of a trapezium, how to solve different questions related to area of a trapezium. Okay, but before that you have to understand what is a trapezium, yes or no? So trapezium is a closed geometric figure with one pair of opposite sides parallel to each other. Okay, so one diagram I have made for you. This is ABCD. Suppose ABCD is given here. So here what can you find? You can find this side AB, it is parallel to this side DC. Okay, so this is a trapezium. Okay, now in a trapezium, two parallel sides we have already got. Okay, then one thing you need to remember is height. Okay, height of a trapezium, you need to remember what is the height. Okay, then you also need to know about the basis of a trapezium. Okay, see, the formula for area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, so here what will be the height? Height will be the perpendicular. Height is the perpendicular, it is drawn from any vertex. Okay, so this is the height of the trapezium. Okay, and these two sides are the bases. This is one base, then this is other base. Okay, so from this we can derive the formula for area of a trapezium. See, I'll write the formula for you. Formula is this one, you need to remember. Okay, area of a trapezium, area of a trapezium, it is equal to half into b1 plus b2 into h. Okay, so b1 and b2 are the bases. Okay, h is the height. Understood? Basis means if this is b1, then the side parallel to the this side will be b2. Okay, and this is the height. Height is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex. Okay, drawn from any vertex. So from C also the height can be drawn. Okay, so here what you have to remember is b1 means what? B1 and b2 you can remember in this way. b1 and b1 comma b2, they are the lengths of parallel side. Okay, lengths of parallel sides, and h means what? Height. Okay, so this is the small basic concept about area of a trapezium. The formula is half into b1 plus b2 into h. So b1 b2 now you can recognize, yes or no? So b1 and b2 are the parallel sides, and h means the height of the trapezium. Okay, so how questions might come from this simple formula? Questions will become difficult. Okay, questions might become difficult, so your concept should be clear. So let us solve some questions first. Let me some examples you can consider. So write one question from easy one. Let us start. Yes or no? Find the area of a trapezium. Find the area of a trapezium with base 12 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Okay, if the side parallel to the given base is 7 centimeter long. Okay, so this is the question. So what is given? Find the area of a trapezium with base 12 centimeter and height 6 centimeter if the side parallel to the given base is 7 centimeter long. So here b1 is given to you 12 centimeter, B2 is given to you 7 centimeter, H is given to you 6 centimeter. So now you just need to solve the sum, which is very easy for you. You just need to put the formula. Yes or no? So what is given to you? Given height, that is H, height is given how much? 6 centimeter. Okay. Then base, first let us consider B1. B1 you can consider 12 or 7, it is up to you, whichever you want you can consider. Okay, suppose 12 centimeter. Okay, then again base B2, let us consider it 7 centimeter. Okay, so now we just need to put the formula. Yes or no? So therefore area, what was the formula? Half into sum of the bases, that is B1 plus B2 into height. Yes or no? So put the values. Half into B1 plus B2 means 12 plus 7. Okay, into what is the height given? 6. And we know that the area, it is always written in square units, so centimeter square. So half into 12 plus 7 is how much? 19 into 6 square centimeters. So by 2 you can cancel 6 3 times, and 19 3s are how much? 57 square centimeters, and this is the area of the trapezium. Okay, so just simply we have applied the formula for area of the trapezium. Okay, so in this way the questions are done. Okay, now questions may be altered also. Write the second question. First one, it is given directly, indirectly it may also be given. Okay, so here you need to, suppose you need to find the height. So how the question will be given? Find the altitude. Altitude means height. Okay, find the altitude of a trapezium. Okay, find the altitude of a trapezium if the sum of the lengths of the bases is 8.5 centimeter and area is 34 square centimeters. Now see what you need to do. So in the question, what is given to you? First you need to understand that thing. Okay, so see, sum of the lengths of the bases is given. That means this one is B1 plus B2. B1 plus B2 is given 8.5 centimeter. Okay, and area is given 34 centimeter square, and you need to find the altitude. Okay, altitude means what? Altitude means height. Okay, so how will you find? See, given, so you can write directly B1 plus B2, sum of the bases, how much? 8.5 centimeter. Okay, then what is given to you? Area is given how much? 34 square centimeters. Okay, so let the altitude be h, because h is the height, is no? So therefore, now what is the formula for area? Area equals half into B1 plus B2 into h. So from this we need to find h. That means our equation will be 34 centimeter squares equals half into B1 plus B2 is given how much? 8.5. Okay, don't write these units, otherwise you'll be confused. Okay, into h. Okay, that means, so here what will you get? To find the value of h, so it will be 2 into 34. Okay, divide by 8.5. Understood? So from this we can find the value for h. Okay, see, 2 into 34 and 8.5 means you can write 85 by 10. Okay, so this one, it will be 2 into 34 into 10 divided by 85. Now it is easy for you. Okay, now you can solve. How will solve? By 5 you will cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. Okay, then 7 2s are 34, 7 2s are 34. So you have got 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so it is 8 centimeter. Okay, so therefore altitude, it is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. So this is the answer that we are required to find. Okay, so in this way the same formula we have applied. Okay, area equals to half into b1 plus b2 into h. Understood? Write another question. Question number 3. Okay, right, find the sum of the lengths of the bases of a trapezium. Okay, find the sum of the lengths of the bases of a trapezium whose area is 4.2 square meters or meter square, and whose height is 280 centimeter. 280 centimeter. So this is the question you have to do. Okay, now see, in this question what is given and what we need to find, that one you need to understand first. Okay, so you need to find the sum of the lengths of the bases. Okay, so sum of the lengths of the bases means you need to find b1 plus b2. So this one you need to find. And now what is given to us? Area is given 4.2 meter square. Okay, height is given 280 centimeter. See, one is given in meter square, one is given in centimeter. Okay, so you need to convert the centimeter into meter. Okay, so what is given? Area is given 4.2 meter squares. Okay, then what is given? Height is given. Height, that is h, it is given 280 centimeter. So 280 centimeter means how much meter? 280 divided by 100. Yes or no? Because in 1 centimeter 100, because 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Okay, so it will be how much? 2.8 meter, I think. Okay, understood? So sum of the bases means b1 plus b2 is no. Since area equals half into b1 plus b2, this one we need to find sum of the bases into height. Okay, so implies area, how much it is given? 4.2 equals half into b1 plus b2, that we need to find, into h, that is 2.8. Okay, so from this, if we need to find b1 plus b2, then we need to transpose this data. That means what you will get, 2 into 4.2 divided by 2.8. Okay, if you are confused with this transposition, then what can you do? See, I'll try to make it easy for you. Okay, I'll break this one for you. See how the transposition is done. Okay, step by step. So 4.2 equals, here what we will get, b1 plus b2 into 2.8 divided by 2. Okay, so from this, cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get b1 plus b2 into 2.8 equals 4.2 into 2. Okay, so from this, if you find b1 plus b2, then you have to divide 4.2 into 2 by 2.8. Okay, now see, 4.2 and 2.8 both have decimals in one place. That means you can remove the decimal, so you can directly write, you can multiply both by 10 actually. Then here it will become 42 into 2 divided by 28. Okay, understood? That means if we cancel 14, 2 14s are 28, then 2 21, I think. Okay, so 2 7s are 14, 7 3s are 21. That means ultimately we will get how much? 3 meter. Okay, so sum of the two bases will be equal to how much? 3 meter. That is the answer. Okay, sum of the lengths of the bases is how much? 3 meter. So some simple questions I have solved. 3 questions I have done today. Then we'll be moving to the exercise only. Exercise 16a. So many questions are given. Okay. So I'll try to solve as many questions as I can. The remaining ones, of course, you have to solve by yourself only. Okay. So this much for today, and thank you.